In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert picture and text watermark in Microsoft Word. If you are ready, let's get to it. With your document open, let's find the watermark button. So depending on your version of Microsoft Word, this option may appear in different places. In newer versions like Microsoft Word 2013, 2016, 2019 and Office 365, look for the watermark button by clicking on the Design tab, which is at the top of the Word window. In the Design tab and under Page Background Group, at the top corner of the Microsoft window, locate the watermark option. If you can't find your watermark button there, then you are probably using an older version of Microsoft Word, either 2010 or older version. So in the older versions, the watermark option might be found at the Page Layout tab and also in the Page Background Group. Now click on Watermark button. A drop-down menu will appear with predefined watermark options. You can choose from the various predefined watermarks in a diagonal or horizontal form. Let's select one to see the preview. You can see the text "Confidential" at the background of your document. To remove the watermark, go back to the watermark drop-down, then select Remove Watermark. Let's customize our own watermark. To customize our own watermark, select Custom Watermark from the drop-down. This opens a printed watermark dialog box. To use picture for the watermark, select Picture Watermark, then click Select Picture. Click Work Offline from the open window. Navigate to the location of your picture. Select it and click Insert. Make sure to check the Wash button. This makes your picture watermark semi-transparent. Increase or decrease the size of your watermark by using the scale. The sizes ranging from 500 to 50%, but leaving it as auto is also just fine. Click Apply, then OK. This will automatically apply the selected watermark to your document. Now let's insert a custom text watermark. You can choose the text watermark option from the printed watermark dialog box. You can select the predefined ones or enter your desired text. Click and delete the placeholder text and type your desired text. Select font, the size, color, layout, and rotation, which can be horizontal or diagonal. Then check the semi-transparent box to make it semi-transparent. After customizing your watermark, click the Apply and then OK button to apply it to your document. The watermark will now appear in the background of all pages in your document. Now you've successfully inserted a watermark into your Microsoft Word document. Happy editing!